Welcome to SELFX, a product of Sirixo Software Technologies Private Limited. Let's go to Orders. From here we can sort and filter the orders list to get the desired list of orders. We can view the status of an order and update its status. Then we have Customers, where we can add the details of frequent customers and assign orders to those added customers. We can also view the order history of a selected customer as well. From Tables, we can add the seating area tables and their capacity, through which we can assign orders and bills easily. These tables are used to identify the seating capacity of individual floors, through which we can manage the peak hours efficiently. The tables are also used in reservations. Here we can pre-book a table for occasion or events. From Reports, we have Overview. Here we can view the total orders, revenue generated, average order, peak hours. Then we have quick links for other report modules through which we can print summaries of bills generated. We can sort them with order type, tax summary, category-wise, and so on. We have performance reports through which we can grade the staff, sales, and tips received. Likewise for menu performance and tax reports.